Hi Crystal, welcome to Filmy Beat. Firstly, congratulations. People are loving the song, and song is already in the charting trending list. So, what do you have to say about "Ik Bewafa Hai"?
Thank you, Monica, for having me here today. Honestly, I feel like it is amazing to be part of such an iconic song, Ek Bewafa Thi, because it's something that I've grown up listening to. I'm a big fan of Kareena Kapoor, of Akshay Kumar. So, being a part of such an iconic song is literally like giving tribute to them, which is amazing. Tips working with Tips, collaborating with Tips was a great process because they really took care of us as actors. Took care of our needs, and working with the director like Adil Sheikh and amazing voice of Sameer Khan really adds to this song.
Okay, so talking about the song "Ik Bewafa." So, are you bewafa in real life?
Do you think I'm Bewafa in real life? No, never, never. That's one thing that I hate. I hate disloyalty and disloyal people. So I would never be bewafa. If anything, I am too mufat and I would walk away from a situation rather than being a cheater.
All right. And talking about the love, we have seen the chemistry. How was it working with Siddharth, and what is your take on love?
I know Siddharth for a really long time, so working with him was an absolute pleasure. We were catching up. We are friends per se, like we know of each other and everything. But meeting after so many years and catching up was a lot of fun. He's amazing as a person, as an actor, as a dancer. So that was something that I really enjoyed. What was the second question?
What is your take on love?
What is my take on love? I feel love is everything. If not for love, what are we? If not for the love of our parents, for the love of our siblings, for the love of a lover, for the love of friendship, we are nothing. We would be emotionless people if we didn't feel love. So all the people that say, "Oh, we don't know what love is," I'm sure you do when it comes to your own family, when it comes to your own siblings. We all love, and love is something to me that is putting another person before you, giving unconditional love to a person is something that I would do. So that's love for me.
All right. And apart from that, since we have seen Chehre also released and people have loved it, how was it working with Imran and Mr. Bachchan?
Cherry is not yet released. It will be released in a theater near you when the theaters open up. But yes, the trailers are out, the promos out, a few cuts are out, and people have really responded very well to it. It was amazing working with the likes of Imran Hashmi and Amitabh Bachchan ji, Anu Kapoor. We have an amazing cast, and in that scenario also Anand Pandit ji and my director Rumi Jaffrey were very supportive and really made this film happen on such a grand scale.
Okay, so what was your experience like? Can you just share how was it like? Do you learn anything like Mr. Bachchan have taught you, or Imran, like anything if you can share?
I don't think we are in that stage in life where we are teaching each other what to do. But it was an amazing experience working with people from two different times. Working with somebody as Imran Hashmi, who is so warm, so welcoming, made me feel so comfortable. And then there's Amitabh Bachchan ji, where you feel so nervous to even stand in the same frame. He made me feel like an equal, like the and just doing scenes with him was surreal. So I think I learned a lot on how to keep your feet on the ground and how to be grounded forever if you want to last forever.
All right, that's amazing. So, apart from that, talking about the song, the collaboration we have seen, people have really said like remix is the much more better. Like remake version is the better than the original one. So we see people don't comment says these kind of things because लोग यही बोलते हैं original ही better होता है. But for this, people are saying remake is the better one. So what do you have to say when you heard such kind of things?
It's really nice to hear these things because honestly, most of the time, even I feel that the remakes are not as good as the original. But this time around, I think, when Tips came in the picture, Adil Sheikh as a director came into the picture, it changed things around. And having a voice like Sameer Khan really helps because his voice is so soothing that there's no way you cannot like what he's singing. and it's a song that has recall value. More than remake, I would totally call it a tribute, because it's something I've grown up to. So I don't want to remake it. I want to give a tribute to that song for being so big that even in 2021 we want to hear the same song again, with maybe different faces, with maybe something else, but not a remake. A tribute to Akshay Kumar, to Kareena Kapoor, to Tips at that time, and now Tips today.
All right. And apart from that, also I would like to know which is your favorite song. Like, if you get a chance, you want to do this song like again tribute. So, any of your favorite song from 80s or 90s?
So I have this one favorite song that I don't even know if it's my favorite song or not, but whenever I'm alone, I am always humming it. It's called Ajeeb Daastaan Hai Ye, Kahan Shuru Kahan Khatam. So I think if a remake of that is made, I'll surely be a part of it. I know it's a very slow song and maybe not for today's times, but I love it. So another tribute to a big grand song like that would be another feather in my hat.
All right. And talking about the COVID scenario, what do you have to say about the second wave? Because this is literally horrible. So, I just want to know your take on it.
Honestly, it is very horrible. Just this wave is very strong. It's very draining to hear the news, to see what's happening around. All I can say is stay put, stay safe wherever you are. If you have to step out, then only step out, but with all precautions. Wear a double mask, sanitize, keep your social distancing, and get vaccinated. I mean, above 18 vaccination is open, so apply and get vaccinated. I came to Goa on the 15th of last month for some work, and I am here ever since. I have not moved from here, not because I'm enjoying my holiday. It's because I don't want to travel unnecessarily. So unless and until I have some work in Mumbai, I will go back. Till then, I don't want to keep traveling. I don't want to go and move around for no reason. So I think, just stay safe wherever you are, guys. It's so important. This too shall pass, and we are stronger than this. We just have to apply our mind over the matter and be more careful.